To another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to see the likes in another profile of the another person in X. So the first step is go to the application of X, and if you want to see the what the likes of that person, like what post that person give a like, the only thing you need to do is go to pick here in their profile. You need to pick here again, and after that you need to go to this bar here where it said media replace and post, and you need to go to the right side, the last option in the right side. You pick in likes, and you got all the posts where that person pick give the like. So this is the process. This is the part where you can see the likes of another person, and that's it. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.